Projector. This thing is like a projector, but mini. So let's go again and unbox this booger. I'm excited to see it. You know how shipping is these days. This thing took forever to arrive due to the shipping issues that the world is having, but I'm glad it finally made it here. It is kind of an all-in-one. And get the rest of the stuff out of here. It's kind of an all-in-one doodad. Allows you to project a movie or TV show. Let's try it out. All right. You'll have to excuse the fact that it is on a garage door. On the outside of the garage door, which is beautifully smooth, this is going to look a lot better. But as you can see, there it is right there. I've got my remote right here. I'm going to pan up to it. And I will say, it is a very bright and clear picture, so I'm real happy. go out of here. Hey everybody, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina tonight. Tonight I have a tool for you. This is... Alright, what I'm going to do is, I know it's like murder because this is probably not even close to the full size of this thing to project. And I don't know how well my camera is doing it any justice, but considering that there's like stuff in the way and there's all kinds of, not a smooth surface here, this is actually a really great picture quality. Like, I am shocked at how well this thing is looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to move this thing closer, and I might move it farther back. This is as far back as I can get it and show the whole thing, because my door is only 7.5 feet wide. But maybe we'll just expand it so you just see, if I had it way far back, just how big or how clear it would be, say with a 10-foot screen, So give me a second. Okay, here it is, and again, it's hard because it's so dark in here now, but this is zoomed in. I've got this thing, and I would say that's probably maybe a 42-inch setup right there, and I'll go ahead and play it again so you can get a better idea of how that is. This is the last job I had. I found it to be really helpful, especially when getting like caliper bolts, stuff like that. These were rusting on, needed air to get loose. This thing would fit in spots, and some of the newer ones would not. So let me get the camera closer in and go ahead and unbox this thing, check it out, and I'll give it a quick test. And also I want to point out, you can see the light flashing. It is very close. That is like 4 feet from the screen to give you an idea how much space you need to project an image. So I would say 4, maybe 4.5 feet away from the wall. So now I'm going to pause the camera again. I'm going to pull it way back, way back. And I want to see, if I were to use this thing on, the side of a business or something like that, which is really cool. Or like, I don't know, man, get a couple sheets, tie them together, and make like a big screen, kind of have a little miniature drive-in of your own, right? So let me zoom out on this. Okay, and I'm going to do that. So just give me 1 sec. All right, now this is all the way zoomed out, so I'm not sure how well it shows. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go stand in front of it to give you an idea at the size of this thing. So this is in the video that I'm actually putting up here is actually 720p. But you can see nice and clear. You can read the writing on it, no problem. And again, this is just a garage door. This isn't like a nice smooth cloth. But let me see. I'll go ahead and hit play. Off of this thing. There we go. Now, one thing I liked about this one, I was looking at it online. You can get these on Amazon. So the screen, I don't know if it shows all the way up there, but nice, I would say this is kind of a package. It comes that's about an 8-foot tall screen, probably 12 foot wide right there. And there's plenty of room for focus. Plenty of room for focusing. So this would go even farther back. I'll tell you what. I'll go even farther back. I'm going to go all the way from one wall to one wall. So that's putting the camera 26 feet away, or I'm sorry, the projector 26 feet away from this. So let's try that. The Siri company contacted me. No, I do automotive related videos. Asked me if I did read. It's really hard for you to see this. I go and pause it. Several, in fact. I hope that paused it. But yeah, you can see I'm way up there. Like, this thing is massive. I would say it's probably, well, it's touching the ceiling, which is 18 feet from bottom to top. So yeah, lots of space, lots of space. Cool. Hey everybody, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight I have a new tool to review. All right, so that's it, and that is awesome. The WEWATCH, it's not very big. Does have a little fan that comes on. Had decent speakers, really, and it claims up to, I think it was an 8-foot screen, but clearly that was double that size at least, and it was still beautifully clear and lots of focus left to go. I don't care how cold it is, we're going to have a campfire and sit in the driveway and watch a movie right on the outside of this shop here, and I think it's going to be really cool. So for like somebody who wants to do their own drive-in, for someone that wants to have a way to put a presentation up, this thing is so compact and so lightweight and so affordable that I think that this would be a perfect option for you. Anyway, that'll do it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I love playing with stuff like this, and the fact that I got to got to try it out. It's just super awesome. So anyway, take care.